How to create a Square Up bank account. Looking to manage your business finances with Square? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through creating a Square Up banking account to streamline your transactions. So let's get started. Visit the official Square website and sign up if you don't have already an account. Provide your name, email, and password, then follow the instructions to verify your identity. Once logged into your Square dashboard, navigate to the Banking tab. This is where you'll set up your Square Up banking account. Click on Square Banking and choose the account type you need, checking, savings, or both. Fill out the application form with your business and personal details. Upload any required documents for identity and business verification, such as a government-issued ID or your business license. Then to transfer funds between Square and your existing bank, link an external account by entering your bank details. Now double check all the information you've entered, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Submit. Square will review your application and notify you once your account is approved. And after approval, you can manage your business finances directly from your Square dashboard. Thanks for watching.